So I bought me a Model X. I'm just playing. This is a loaner fixing a problem with my Model 3. So I want to get that fixed. So they're fixing on it right now. And I get to have this Model X for as long as it takes them. And it's pretty nice. I'll have some footage for you. Just make a video about it. So just enjoy it. This is my first time in one. While I have this Model X loaner, I'm just going to show you a little bit of features of this. I click on that. I click on this side and it automatically opened for me, and it has a sensor on there, which is pretty cool. So I'll get in the car, then it automatically closes like that, which is pretty cool. So if I hit this door handle, it'll automatically open for me. If you want to see the wings go up, I'll do the right side here. And I'll do the left side here as well. And they have sensors on them as well. I'll let the left side down, and all I'm doing is double clicking on this side right here. And then I'm gonna double click on the right side right here, and it should let that one go down. I don't know why that door has it closed. I'll probably have to show you the driver's side. So what I'll do, it has like a little soft, see how it closed and the window goes up. So what I'll do is open this one. So I'm gonna walk away over here and see if that driver door closes automatically, so you can see that. So the door closed. I didn't hit anything. Let's see how the trunk looks, the back trunk. Plenty of space. It has this bottom area as well, kind of like the Model 3 that I have. That's pretty cool. So that's pretty nice. I'll show you how it looks in the back seat, the second row. So that's how the second row looks. I don't know what the hell that is, but it wasn't me. And then these are the seats back here that you can let up to make that 7-seater possible. Looks like it does have USB-A. This is the button where you can let the Falcon doors down. And this also has, this is the trunk. We'll let that down as well. Check out the hood. A huge front trunk, really big. Would be nice, I mean, paying this amount of money for these Model X's and Model S's to have a automatic trunk lift. These are the rims, they're kind of dirty. And these pretty much looks like my Model 3 after I took that center plastic cap off and changed it. Actually, I think that's where they got it from. They're really nice, actually. I think all of their lights are made like that because it's not like flush, which I don't care at all. That's a big difference right there. A lot of us Model 3 owners buy this part and put it on there. But it's got the dual motor right there. This is the dual motor, the long range. It's not the performance. This one does come with a spoiler as well, which is pretty cool. There is the side repeaters right there, the left one. So I'm gonna open this again and get in here because it's hot. So you'll see me slightly close the door and it automatically shut. You probably can't see that in the video, but this always pops up here. It only had like 100 miles, so I had to go to the supercharger because they'll have my car for a few hours. So I had to run a couple of errands. So this is some of the storage, like down here it is. So that's a little bit of storage right here. Then this is where the Model 3 got this little opening from. And 2 cup holders right there. And let's check here. Just push that. Little storage here. And you have a 12 volt. And you have 2 USB-A ports. So we'll close that. Close that. You have more cup holders. And one thing I like about these, if you want it to go up a little bit, just push it up, push it up. So it looks like everything is the same. It's just, you know, all the information is up there, which is really nice. If anyone tells you it's not, they lying. And is how I enable autopilot. And that's the windshield wipers and everything. And that's putting it in park, reverse, neutral, or drive. But it handles really well. It has that adjustable air suspension. If you click on it, so it's really cool. So it looks like it's set for standard 7.5 inches, but it's cool. You can raise it up all the way up to 8.9 inches.